back friends to our channel Marvel Rubik Cube. Friends, today we are going to see something different. As you can see here that today we are going to see how to solve Pyraminx cube. This cube is popularly known as 2 to 3 names. That first is pyramid cube, second is Pyraminx cube, and third is triangular cube. As what to name you want, you can say that. So before start our video, you can see that there is one subscribe button at downwards. Go and click that. Beside that, there you can see one notification icon or bell icon. Press that, and after doing all this, go to the like section, like our video and share our video to your friends and family members, so they will also know that how to solve the different type of cubes on our channel. Now let's get started to our video. Now friends, first let us scramble it. Now as you can see that we had scrambled our cube. So to solve it, first we will know that there are some position that we will see. Like this is known as tip. This part of the cube is known as tip. This part of cube and this all are known as tips, and these are known as middle pieces, and these are known as edge pieces. Okay, what is tip, middle pieces and edge pieces? Now you can see that there is in this cube there are four sides. Sorry, four sides. And what these sides are known as? These sides are known as faces. What are these known as? These are known as faces. This is first face, this is second face, this is third, and this is fourth. And in this cube, while solving second layer, there are some algorithm. So we will also learn that what is meant by algorithm, R, L, and everything. So if we move this right side part of our face, that is known as R, means right upward, not right upward, right. And if we move this down, it is known as right downwards or right inwards. And in shortcut we say it as R prime, means R and R prime. And in left side it is opposite, that if we move this down it is known as L, and if you move it upside it is known as L prime. And in upside, if you move this to the left it is known as U, and if you move it to right it is known as U prime. And there is no downward side in our algorithm. Now let us see that how to solve the first layer, and then we will see to solve second, then third layer is very easy. As you can see that there is only one tip. So before solving it, you should know that what we have to do. So first we have to do that on one face we want 3 tips same color. On one face we want 3 tips same color, means here blue, and here also blue. So you can see that here is blue, and we will bring that blue here. But here you can see that there is no blue, so we will search for another blue tip. You can see that there is one blue tip here. So what will we do? We will move these blue tips here like this, very easy. This is our first step of first layer. Now what is our second step? Our second step is to bring all the middle pieces. Now how will we bring? So you can see that there is one middle piece already here. So we will bring the another middle piece. But how? They are either of if we take this tip, they are either of this side or this side. So you can see that here is one blue middle piece. So we will take it here. We had taken it here, and we will just simply move it. See, and of this side it is either here or here. See, it is here. So we will take it. Now by mistakenly we had solved the face, not a layer. This is not a layer we had solved. We had only solved the face. And I will tell you that how to solve the layer, not a face. After that, you can see that our all the pieces are downside only, but they are not their right place. It should be here with green, and this red should be here with red. So how will we take it outside? What we will do, we will move it up and move it to, if this is at right side, then we will move it to left side and bring this down. Now you can see that with blue there is one color, that is green. So we will match this green color with green. See, we had matched this color with green. Now if this side is at the left, if this blue is at the left side, then we will bring right side upwards and place it here. Move it to right and see, our one piece get settled. Now we will see that other piece. See, it is already fixed with red. So we will take this upward and see. Now we had solved the first layer. Now we will solve the second layer. Before solving second layer, we will solve this tip. It is like this, no? We will make it like this, and our tip and first layer had solved. Now only second layer has left. So before solving second layer, we have to see that one edge piece that is at its right place and in right condition. Like see, this is at its right place but not at right condition. It is twisted. So we will see another. See, this is the at its right place. We will see green and red. So we will fix here. No, it is also not. So we will see next color, that is this. See this. Now we will see. Yes, this is at its right place. So what will we do? We will we will fix this position at back place, and we will apply one algorithm, R prime L R L prime. Now you will see that our blue color has discarded. We will fix it like we had seen in first layer. Now you will see that our this yellow, green, now we can fix them like this. Yes, we had fixed. And to fix this color, take any one face in front of you and apply this formula, R U R prime U R U R prime. Again apply this formula till our these pieces not get at the right place. R U R prime U and C. Now it has got its right place. Like this you have to solve this pyraminx cube or pyramid cube or triangular cube. As I had earlier told that what you want to say, you can say it. Now we had solved this cube, so we will meet with a different type of cube in next video. Till then, bye bye.